right, tax, tip, discount, commission, and markup. These problems have to do with percent. These are real world application problems for percent. So a tax is a percentage added to any purchase. So that means the sales tax is what the government charges us in addition to the price of items that we buy. Okay? So a $72 item with a 6% sales tax. I want to find the sales tax on an item that's $72. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the tax. So what I'm going to do is multiply $72 times 6%. Okay? That's all I'm going to do. Multiply the percent times the price. And I'm going to put in my calculator 72 times 6%. And I want to put the percent sign in there. Okay? That's going to be $4.32. Now, if you don't put the percent sign, the other way you can do this is that 6% is going to equal 600th. So 6% is equal to 600th. So that's the same thing, 4 and 32 hundredths. Okay? So that's going to be $4.32. That's my tax amount. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to find the total cost of the item. So the only thing I do is I'm going to take 72, which is my price, and then I'm going to add the tax. So $4.32. I'm going to just put that in the calculator. 72 plus $4.32. I get $76.32. That is my total price. Okay? So that's going to be my sales tax. Okay? So sales tax, remember, you're adding to the original price. Okay? Tip is the same way. So the percentage added to a bill to reward for good service. Like when you go to a restaurant, best practice is to tip your waiter or waitress. All right? Or you can tip your hairdresser. So your bill is $75 and you want to leave a tip for 18% tip. So again, you're going to take your bill, 75. You're going to just multiply that by 18%. Okay? Again, in the calculator, you want to do 75. You can multiply that by 18. Make sure you put the percentage sign in there. Okay? And you should get $13.50. Same thing if you did 75 times 18 hundredths, because 18 hundredths is the same thing as 18%. You get the same thing. Okay? So that's going to be $13.50 is my tip. So what I want to do with tip, I want to find the total amount. So that means you're going to take your original price, where your bill was 75, and then I'm going to add the tip of $13.50. So I'm going to take 75 plus $13.50, and I should get $88.50. That's my total price, $88.50. Okay, so far we did tax and tip. Now, tax and tip you're going to add on to your price. Discount, which is going to be a percent of the price subtracted from the original price. So your discount, you're subtracting. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find the discount amount. So I have a $250 item is on sale with a 30% discount. So you're going to take your price, your original price, and you're going to multiply that by the percentage to get your discount amount. Okay? So $250 times 30%, which gives me $75. This is not what I pay. This was actually what I save. Okay? This is my discount. So $75 is my discount. Okay? And then find the total cost of the item. Now, remember, you're going to subtract. Okay? So I'm going to take my $250, which is my original price. Then I'm going to subtract that $75. Because I want to know how much I'm going to pay for that after the discount. So $250 minus 75 gives me $175. Okay? $175. Okay, that's my discount. All right, so with try 1, 2, and 3. You try these on your own. So this one here, Karina bought an entree for $18.95. How much did she spend if she tipped? 20%. Again, this is going to be tip, so you're going to add on to your original amount. So again, you're going to take your original amount, $18.95, multiply that by 20%. I'm gonna get my tip, okay? So you're gonna get your tip amount, whatever here. Then you're gonna add $18.95 plus whatever you get. This is your tip, okay? That's gonna get your total, all right? Try it too. You have a PS3 for $299.99. Best Buy is having 25% off. How much will you save? All right, this is how much I'm gonna save. So I don't have to really subtract this because I just wanna know the amount I've saved. So all you gotta do is multiply $299.99 times 25%. This is how much I'm gonna save, okay? And if you wanna get that further, you would take that amount and subtract it from $299. The number 3, you're gonna save $200 to purchase a new iPad mini for $189.99 plus 6% and 7 sales tax. Does you have enough? So sales tax, remember you're adding on. So you would be doing $189.99 times the sales tax. Make sure you put your percent in your calculator. Okay. Then you're gonna take whatever this amount is, okay, and you're gonna add on to your price, your original price. So this is your tax. Then you get your total. Do you have enough? If it's over that amount of 200, then he doesn't have enough, okay? So those, go ahead and finish 1, 2, and 3 for the try-its, okay? And then I'm gonna move on, so go ahead and do that, finish that. And then on the other side is, I'm talking about markup and commission, okay? So with markup, it's the amount of increase in a price. So the price is gonna go up. So some companies like Walmart and Target, they're going to mark up their price so that they can make a profit. They would buy items for wholesale, and then they would sell it at the retail price. So the wholesale price is much cheaper, but they're gonna sell it at the retail price to make a profit, okay? That's why things are marked up. So a music store's percent of markup is 67%. A CD costs the store $10.15. So all you gotta do is take your amount, $10.15 times the 67%. This is the amount of markup, okay? This is the amount I'm going to add on to my price. So $10.15 times 67% would give me $6. So I'm going to round that to the nearest hundredth. So that's $6.80. So that's $6.80. This is the amount I'm going to add on. So with markup, you're adding on, okay? So I'm going to take my original price, which is $10.15. Then I'm going to add $6.80. So $10.15 plus $6.80 gives me $16.95. So when you go to the store, the actual price that you're going to pay is $16.95. Okay? Commission. All right, commission is when it's a percentage given to an employee to encourage sales. So a lot of real estate agents, car sales people will get a commission. So they get a percentage of whatever they sell. So same with commission, you are multiplying the percentage. So Samara, real estate agent, sold 232,500 house last week. If she makes 4.5% commission on each house she sells, how much commission will she make on the house? So again, you're going to take your amount that she sold, which is 232,500. You're just going to multiply that by the percent, 4.5%, okay? So again, in the calculator, 232,500 times 4.5%. Make sure you put the percent sign in there, okay? So she's going to make $10,462 and 50 cents. So her commission is $10,462 and 50 cents. $10,462 and 50 cents commission. This is my commission. That's what she's going to make off that house. Okay? Mr. Jones, a car sales man, makes a base salary of $75 per week plus a 6% commission for all sales. If Mr. Jones sold $92,000 in car sales in December, how much is it in a paycheck. So you got two things. You got to figure out what his commission is off of that $92,000. Plus, he's going to get a base salary. Base salary is what he's going to make regardless of what he sells, okay? So let's talk about the base salary first. So base salary is $75 a week. Well, if I'm talking about a whole month in December, so we're going to take 75 times 4. This is how much he's going to be making in addition to his commission. So 75 times 4 equals 300. So this is his base salary for the month, okay? Now I want to take his commission, which is $92,000. He sold $92,000. Multiply that by his 6% commission. So his commission is going to be times 6% will give me 5,520, which is his commission. Okay, this is how much is his paycheck. So I'm going to take his commission plus his base. So 5,520 plus 300. I'll just add that 300, and he should make 5,820. 5,820. Okay, so that's commission. Remember, commission is a percentage of what the sale is. Okay, so let's take a look at the you try it's. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so you try it 1 for every 890 iPad. Kayla sells, she gets a commission of $178. What percentage is her commission? So basically what you have to do is you need to figure out the percent. So you can set up a percent proportion. I don't know what the percent sign or the percent is, but I do know for every 890 iPads, she's going to get her commission. Her commission is going to be representative of the part. So you would have to put 178 over 890. So all you really have to do here, okay, is cross multiply and then divide by 890. You're going to get your percentage, okay? Whatever you get in the calculator is your percentage. Number 2, Troy's XYZ Toys makes a penny board for $26.95. They mark up the cost by 55%. What is the selling price for this board? Okay, again, this is markup. So when you're doing markup, you want to take your price, what they're going to buy it for or make it for, multiply that by the percentage. Okay, this is going to be your markup. Then you take your price and you're going to add whatever the markup is, okay, to get your total. So that was number 2. Number 3, they have a jacket that sold for $65 is marked up to $720. What is the percent? So you're going to have to find the markup, okay? So all you got to do is, we don't know the percent, over 100. It sold for $65 is marked up to $720. So you want to put the 65 on the bottom because that was the original price they got it for. The markup is going to be $720. Okay, again, multiply 70.2 times 100 and divide by 65. You should get it. Okay, see if you do try number 4 on your own. Okay, that one is just kind of like this example with Mr. Jones. Okay, so you go ahead, finish that up, and then we will go over this in class the next day.